This is the Origami Poltergeist, my latest design. It's pretty simple. It's just a fish base. So we're going to start with a square piece of paper, black side up, folded diagonally. We're just going to be making a fish base. It's pretty simple. Okay, now bring the top down to the center and then just crease it a little bit. Then bring the bottom up to that crease and crease it right in the middle. Okay, and now you have a fish base. So take one of these flaps, take it all the way, and what you're going to do is you're going to fold it out just so it just peeks out just a little bit. Just like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, next we're going to move on to the head. So take this point and fold it all the way down to this cross where all the creases meet. Okay, now we're going to make a belly fold from here to here. Okay, and then flatten the paper down. Okay, now take this point and bring it up to the top and then just mark it, and then now bring it to that mark. Okay, now reverse fold that. So okay, now we're going to take this side here and you're going to make a crease starting from right here all the way to here. Okay, now take this point and you're going to fold it right to there, and now we're going to squash fold it. Okay, and then fold it like that, and now we're going to take the little point and we're going to fold it back here, making a mountain fold, and fold it there. So do the same thing on the other side. Okay. And now you have an eye made. So do the same thing over here. What we're going to do is we're going to fold it not all the way to this line, but close. Like that. Sorry about the edging here. Sometimes okay. Okay, and now the eyes are done. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the model over, and you're going to take this side, and you're going to fold it over as far as you can. Eventually you'll get stopped by the wing here, so okay. Next, you're going to take the side here and you're going to fold it in, fold it over like this. There's a middle crease here that you'll use as a guide, like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to pinch the paper, get it like this, and then we're going to fold it. This is an arbitrary fold, just kind of like that. Okay, and then fold it back. And then again, just to whatever you like. This is going to be the ghostly tail. Okay, then we're going to do a little shaping on the head here. So just take it and fold back a little bit. Like that. And then take the top Okay, and lastly, we're going to work on the arms. So fold it back up, and we're going to fold it along this line, right here, like this, just halfway, and then do that on the other side. And then we're going to take them and then fold it together, pinch paper. It's what's called a rabbit ear fold. Pretty simple. Okay, do the same thing here. Okay, so now you've got these two rabbit ear folds, and now what you can do is you can just shape them a little bit. So just curl them a little bit. Okay, and the ghost is done. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.